Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss some standard results. First one, integral a to b f of x, integral a to b root of x minus a into b minus x dx is equal to pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. So this is the first result. So here in this case put x is equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta, substitution method. X equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Now dx is equal to, so derivative, so this is 2a cos theta, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus 2b sin theta, derivative of sin theta is cos theta d theta, that is equal to here 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta, that is minus a sin 2 theta plus this is also 2 sin theta cos theta, so this is b sin 2 theta d theta. In this one, if you take sin 2 theta is taking common, so this is b minus a into sin 2 theta d theta. So this is dx is equal to, okay na? At the same time you can convert the limits also. So this is the dx equal to, these are the limits for x equal to a to x equal to b. Now the problem you can convert in terms of completely theta. So dx equal to this one. If x is equal to a, then what is theta? If x equal to b, what is theta? So we have to convert the limits at the same time. If x equal to a, then here a is equal to, so this is a cos square theta, right? 1 minus sin square theta plus b sin square theta, so this is a minus a sin square theta plus b sin square theta. So this is a gets cancelled, okay na? This is 0 is equal to b minus a into sin square theta, implies sin square theta 0, sin theta equal to 0, theta is equal to 0 degree. Okay na? Sin theta equal to 0, theta equal to 0. Like if x is equal to b, then if x equal to b, then this here a b is equal to b. You write a cos square theta plus this is b into 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to a cos square theta plus b minus b cos square theta. B is equal to, there b gets cancelled. So this 0 is equal to, so cos square theta common, a minus b into cos square theta, implies cos square theta equal to 0, that is cos theta equal to 0, cos theta equal to 0 implies theta is equal to pi by 2, theta is pi by 2. So upper limit is pi by 2, lower limit is 0. Okay, now we have all the values where dx is equal to b minus a. So this is a sine 2 theta d theta dx is, and x equal to a, theta becomes 0. X equal to b, theta becomes pi by 2. Therefore, the given integral is what is dx equal to? I can write this side, dx is equal to b minus a sine 2 theta. Therefore, the given integral is integral 0 to pi by 2 root of x minus a, where x is a cos square theta plus b sin square theta minus a into b minus x, b minus a cos square theta minus b sin square theta into where dx is b minus a sin 2 theta d theta, sin 2 theta d theta. So this is b minus a is constant, so write this side. So this is b minus a integral 0 to pi by 2. This is root of, this is a into 1 minus sin square theta, a minus a sin square theta plus b sin square theta minus a. Now a gets cancelled, and the next part is this is b minus a cos square theta minus b into 1 minus cos square theta. So this is minus b plus cos square plus b cos square theta minus b into 1 minus cos square theta minus b plus b cos square theta into, so this is sin 2 theta d theta. Here b gets cancelled. So this is b minus a integral 0 to pi by 2. This is root of, here you can take sin square theta common. So this is b minus a into sin square theta. Next, in this one cos square theta is taken common. Cos square theta, that is also b minus a. So this is b minus a into cos square theta into sin 2 theta d theta. So b minus a root of, so b minus a whole square, that becomes b minus a. Already one b minus a is there, so this is b minus a whole square integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta cos square theta, root is sin theta into cos theta into sin 2 theta d theta. Now for this I am multiplying and dividing by 2. Here I am dividing by 2 and multiplying by 2. multiply, so okay, which is equal to, this is b minus a by 2 in whole square, integral 0 to pi by 2. So this is sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta into this is sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta d theta. There I am multiplying and dividing by 2. So this is equal to b minus a whole square by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square 2 theta. This is sine square 2 theta d theta. That is b minus a whole square by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 using cos 2 theta form. What is cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Now the cos 4 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta. So sine square 2 theta is, that is 1 minus cos 4 theta by 2 d theta. So this is equal to b minus a whole square by 2 into 2, that is 4, integral 0 to pi by 2 1 minus, this is cos 4 theta d theta. Now after that, this is a general process and then applying the limits. So this is same, b minus a whole square by 4. Integral of 1 is theta. See here, integral of 1 is theta, limits lower limit, upper limit, minus integral of cos 4 theta is what? Sine 4 theta by 4, limits for 0 to pi by 2. That is b minus a whole square by 4 into, first in place of theta write upper limit, so this is pi by 2, minus in place of theta write 0 lower limit, minus 1 by 4 into, first write upper limit, in place of theta write pi by 2, so this is what? Sine of 4 into pi by 2, sine of 2 pi, minus sine of 0. Okay, sine of 0. So sine 2 pi is what? 0. Sine x equal to 0. Sine x equal to 0. What is x equal to? N pi, where n belongs to z. Sine n pi 0. So this is total part becomes 0. Therefore that is equal to pi. So this is b minus a whole square by 4 into, this is pi by 2. So this is 0. So can pi by 2, which is pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. So this is one standard result. If the problems are given like this, you can write directly answer in place of a and b. Right? Suppose if the problem is given integral 2 to 5 or root of x 2 to 5 x minus 2 into 5 minus x dx. It is given like this. Simply you can write pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. That is pi by 9 into pi by 8 into, so this is 3 square 9. Suppose if the problem is given integral 2 to 5 root of x minus 2 into 5 minus x dx using the formula pi by 8 into b minus a whole square. So similarly, just to try yourself, similarly these are also standard results. Integral a to b 1 by root of x minus a into b minus x dx is equal to pi. Integral a to b root of x minus a by b minus x dx is equal to pi by 2 into b minus a. So you have to prove these two results. Suppose if the problem is given integral 2 to 7 root of x minus 2 by 7 minus x dx. So this is just like a to b x minus a b minus x dx. Simply you can write pi by 2 into, so this is 7 minus 2. So this is 5 pi by 2. Like this, using these results. So we have to do it these two. Next one, integral x square sin x dx. X square sin x dx limits for 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. See, so this by using integration by parts. Integration by parts means what? ILATE, where A is algebra, T is trigonometric function. First function, this is second function. Okay na? So x square into integral of sin x is what? Minus cos x. Minus cos x, applying the limits for the total function, not for cos x. So limits for integral 0 to pi by 2, right, like this. Yesterday class also I told x square into integral of sin x is minus cos x. Okay, now don't put the limits like this. This is wrong. Okay, now limits are completely the total function minus integral 0 to pi by 2. Derivative of x square is 2x into integral of sin x is minus cos x. Again, don't put the limits dx. Now applying limits, cos pi by 2 0. Okay, now upper limit is what? Minus of pi square into cos pi 0. Lower limit is 0 into cos 0. Cos 0 1, but it is 0. So totally this becomes 0. Minus of minus plus 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 x cos x dx. Again that is integration by parts. That is equal to 2 times of x into integral of cos x is sin x. Limits for 0 to pi by 2 minus integral 0 to pi by 2. Derivative of x is 1. Integral of cos x is sin x dx. That is equal to 2 into applying the limits. In place of x, write upper limit. So this is pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Minus lower limit is 0. Because 0 into minus integral of sin x equal to minus cos x. That is plus cos x. Limits for 0 to pi by 2. So this is 2 into pi by 2 plus here cos pi by 2 0 minus cos 0 is 1. So that is equal to, for multiplying, this is pi minus 2. Pi minus 2 is answer. Next one, integral 0 to 1 x into e power x by x plus 1 whole square dx. So this you know that the standard results e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c in indefinite integration. Now this is integral 0 to 1 e power x into x, you write x plus 1 minus 1, adding and subtracting 1. Why you are adding? Why don't you adding 2? This is, see the denominator. If it is x plus 2, simply you can write x plus 2 minus 2. That is equal to integral 0 to 1 e power x into x plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square, 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Okay, now derivative of 1 by x is, so this is minus derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So this is e power x by x plus 1, limits for 0 to 1. Upper limit is e power 1 by 2 minus e power 0 1 by, so that is 1. Answer is e by 2 minus 1. Next one, integral 0 to 1 x sin inverse x dx. Integral integral 0 to 1 x sin inverse x dx. So first function is what? Inverse trigonometric function, sin inverse x into x dx, integration by parts. First one, second one, same problem we can discuss. We discussed already in the indefinite integration, x sin inverse x, x square sin inverse x, everything is there. So just once you go through your notes, just the previous video classes. So sin inverse x into integral of x is x square by 2, limits for 0 to 1, minus integral 0 to 1, derivative of sin inverse x, 1 by root of 1 minus x square, integral of x, x square by 2 dx. Now see here, by applying the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. What is upper limit is what? In place of x, write 1. So this part is 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Minus. So this is right outside 1 by 2 integral. So I can write, make it as plus. This is minus x square by root of 1 minus x square dx. Okay, now this make it plus, this minus you can put there. Denominator is what? Root of 1 minus x square. So I am adding and subtracting 1. So this is, I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. So this is pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 integral. So limits for 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So this is 1 minus x square by this. So that is root of 1 minus x square dx, limits for 0 to 1, and you can put a big bracket next to, and this is minus integral 0 to 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. So that is equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 into integral 0 to 1 root of 1 minus x square dx. And next minus 1 by 2 integral of this sin inverse x, limits for 0 to 1. And this is also again the formula, integral root of a square minus x square. So this is equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 of x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So this is the formula. Limits for 0 to 1. Limits for 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2 into applying limit sin inverse of 1, that is pi by 2, minus 0. So this is pi by 4 plus 1 by 2, applying upper limit first, where x you write 1, where x you write 1. So this is what? 1 by 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, na? 1 by 2, this is 0 plus 1 by 2 into sin inverse of 1, that is pi by 2. Next minus 0 by 2, this is 0, sin inverse of 0 is totally, this is 0, minus pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. So this is pi by 4 plus, so this is 1 by 2, this is pi by 4 into pi by 8. Pi by 8, this is minus pi by 4. Okay, pi by 4 gets cancelled. That equal to pi by 8 is answer. Now write down properties of definite integrals. Properties of definite integrals. First one, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to minus integral b to a f of x dx. F of x dx. So actually integral a to b f of x dx means what? Integral a to b f of x dx is f of b minus f of a. F of b minus f. If you take minus common, this is f of a minus f of b. This can be written as integral. So this is b to a f of x dx. So this is the first property. Next one, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x f of x dx. Integral okay na, where c belongs to a comma b. See here, this should write integral according to definition. What is the definition? Integral a to b f of x dx is f of b minus f of a. This you write f of c minus f of a plus this is f of b minus f of c. Okay, f of c cancel. That is f of b minus f of a. Okay, which is nothing but integral a to b f of x dx. Next one, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of t dt. F of t dt. Suppose integral 1 to 3 x dx. What is the value of this? X square by 2. Limits for 1 to 3. So this is 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Suppose if it is given integral 1 to 3, what is it? T dt, both are same. T square by 2. Limits for 1 to 3. First upper limit. Upper limit is what? 3. 3 square is 9. 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Like this, integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of t dt. Next property, this is the most important one, which majority of the problems are depend on this. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. See how it, just see once the proof. Now we can take the RHS. 0 to a f of a minus x dx. F of a minus x dx. Put a minus x is equal to t. Minus dx is equal to dt. Dx is equal to minus dt. Limits. If x is equal to 0, x 0, what is t equal to? 0. If x is equal to a, what is t is equal to? Sorry, x equal to 0, t is a. X equal to a, x equal to t is 0. Therefore, this integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx is equal to, where dx is equal to minus dt, minus dt, minus dt. This is f of, this is a, f of this is t, where a minus x equal to t. So limits for, what are the limits? A to 0. So this is a to a 0. Now by using the first property, what is the first property? First property is what? Integral a to b f of x dx equal to minus integral b to a f of x dx. Using the first property, this is 0 to a f of t dt. And using the third property, what is third property? See here, this one. A to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of t dt. So this is 0 to a f of x dx. Okay na? So don't write again, sir, t is equal to a minus x, t equal to a minus x. That is completely different. We can convert the problem in terms of completely t. So this is f of t function dt is nothing but f of x dx. That's why I gave the example in the previous, that is integral 1 to 3 x dx, integral 1 to 3 t dt. Both values are same. So 0 to a f of t dt equal to, which is in just this is only a variable. So 0 to a f of x dx. So this is the most important formula which you use always continuously. F of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, write down. So based on this, we'll discuss some problems. The application part, how it is useful while solving the problems. First one, based on this example, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x power 3 by 2 by sin x power 3 by 2 x plus cos x power 3 by 2 x dx. Let this expression, you can call it I is equal to, this is, let it be I equal to I. Using the formula, using this integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Using this formula, so this I equal to 0 to pi by 2. So this is the sine of pi by 2 minus x. 0 to a, f of x is 0 to f of a minus x. A minus x. If it is pi by 2 minus x. If it is 1 by 2 minus x. If it is 2, you write 2 minus x. By whole power, this is 3 by 2. Whole power 3 by 2, I can write like this. Whole power 3 by 2. By, so this is the sine of pi by 2 minus x whole power 3 by 2 plus cos of pi by 2 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x, which is cos x. So this is cos x, cos power 3 by 2 x by cos sin pi by 2 minus x. So this is cos of plus this is cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x, sin of 3 by 2 x dx. This is I. So this is also I, this is also I. Now I am adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. So this is I plus I. What about this? This is I, this is also equal to I. See, the denominators are same. Denominators are same. So numerators, that is 0 to, by taking LCM, 0 to pi by 2. This is sin x power, sin power 3 by 2 x plus cos power 3 by 2 x by, so this is same, sin power 3 by 2 x plus cos power 3 by 2 x dx. So this gets cancelled. So this is a 2y is equal to, so integral of 1 is x, limits for 0 to pi by 2, that is pi by 2 minus lower limit is 0. So this is 2i. Therefore I is equal to pi by 4. I is pi by 4. So there are so many problems, so using based on this. So in our material, majority number of problems are there. By using this one, just you have to complete the problems. Thank you.